Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are again going to play some Injustice, and first of all I want to say that I am going to apologize for not uploading a video for about a month or so. So the reason of that, if you don't know, my exams are going on and basically my exams have ended. So yeah, you will see uploads once in a week or at least. So yeah, so today's video is going to be really interesting because this the thing that I'm going to say you will not believe. So I'm going to say that I spend 100 hours playing Injustice. Yes, you are right. The account that I am on right now, this is the account I played 100 hours on, and I know that some of you will say that that's just fake and other things, but I would just say that that's real. And I did it in like 2 weeks or so, and it took me a long time. So I would just say that if you please subscribe my channel, that would just be very good. And I would say that when my channel will get 100 subscribers, I will share my own email and password of this account, so you will also be able to log in. So if you want to play this account, then please let my channel hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, I'm going to show you all of my progress in the 100 hours. And so yeah, let's just start. And if you don't know, first of all, the characters that we have, uh, I think we are having right now about 63 or 61 characters. I'm not really sure, but yeah, if you see, I'm just going to scroll. Yeah, and if you see that I'm not having that much credits, because there is a reason for that. If you don't know, I was actually, when I was playing for 100 hours, I was at like on the 98th or 99th hour, I was having like 200,000 gold, and that was a lot. So I thought to just spend them, because this is the last time I'm going to log in on this account. So yeah, and if you just see, I'm having like so much stuff. I'm having like 2 or 3 metal characters, plus some like max, some characters that are promoted to 7 promotion. And but if you see that, not almost every single my character is doesn't have the level higher than about 30 or so. So the reason of that was basically I was just trying to I didn't even play some characters the whole 100 hours. I just focused on some characters that I liked, and so that was pretty good. And if I show you my story mode, this if you see that I was not even able to get in the third stage. So there is a pretty easy reason for that. Basically, I was literally not even focusing on normal battle. I was focusing on, what do you say, I was focusing on online battles and survival mode and other stuff like that. And the challenge that is going on, if you just see that, we are right now on nightmare mode. Yes, and that's just so crazy, and it's almost impossible to defeat in nightmare, so I'm just not even trying. uh, and in this online battle season, I think I am on like silver 3 or so, because when I played the 100 hours the last season, I reached like a gold 1 or 2. So yeah, but this season I'm just not playing that much. That's like I still want this character. And I want to also say a thing. If this video gets 5 likes, I would say, then I would continue playing on this account, and then I will upload 200 hours. When I will play 200 hours, then I will upload the progress of 200 hours. And I would say that that's just going to be crazy. And if you see that I'm having like about 2 or 3 metal characters, so I would just say that I was not free to play. Yeah, I just spent some money, but no problem, because like that's not even I didn't spend that much, but still, yeah. Because I wanted to like literally get as many characters as I wanted, and I wanted to also play some new characters and not play the old characters. Because if you see, like I almost never bought any character from the shop, because I thought that all of these characters I've played before, and I wanted to test some new characters. So yeah, and the thing that I've been waiting to show you is my gear set, and that gear set is just crazy. Let's go to collection and gear cards. Yes, they are. This is the most gears I've ever seen. Just imagine that you see on an account which is not even hacked. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy. I'm having like 4 or 5 star some gears, and if you see, most of my strong gears I have put it on Merciless because like I really like that character too. And I was literally I was upgrading this lightning clock, which is I put it on Shazam, but I was not able to max it because, as I said, in the last 2 hours I just spent them all on packs and some other stuff. And the most of the characters that I've seen that have written they're written new, so I just unlocked from that opening, so that was pretty good. So I think that we should get into some battles, but I would just say that these battles are not going to be interesting that because we are just going to use some very strong characters. I think let's first use a metal character. Yeah, let's do this Batman Ninja Nightwing. I love that character. Then the Merciless. Then I think that Shazam would be good. Yeah, I think Shazam is my strongest character right now. But yeah, I'm still looking forward to promoting my Ninja Catwoman Nightwing. And Merciless is still pretty good. I want to also upgrade him. So let's get into the battle. And I want to also tell you a thing that I have not unlocked their what do you say their second, because I think I need a thing, and I need a metal ore or something like that, and I don't have right now. I'm just waiting for that event. When it will come, I will just do that. So yeah, and as I was saying, that battle was just so easy. And like, if you want me to like just make another video of this, just make sure to hit the like button. And I would also say a thing that my theory that Injustice 3 will release in the month of June or July, I was basically wrong. I was also surprised myself because I thought like that was the I think I thought that it would release in both of these months between that, but it didn't, so I was also pretty confused. But I say that there's like no more information related to Injustice 3 on any websites or so. So I'm just waiting for Injustice 3, and I hope that they will be able to release it in the ending of this year, because I hope that at least they will be able to release it, because this year because Injustice 3 has been confirmed by all of the people, but they have not told us the date of it. So yeah, these battles are just so easy. As I would just say that, and I played this 100 hours on phone. Earlier I used to play it on my iPad, but I thought let's get another experience with my phone. So yeah, that was pretty good. Uh, I think that I don't have that much energies left. Yeah, I'm only having like 20 energies. I just, as I was saying, that normal battle were not even my goal. I just wanted to like do online battles and play survivor mode. So yeah, and I think that this to Flash is pretty good, and I played it on my second account, and I think that he's pretty good in the meta. So yeah, I have Batgirl, Bane, Regime Aquaman. So yeah. And if you see that Arkham Origins Batman my is 24 level and having a 7 promotion, you see that is just so crazy. And as I would just say that this account is just so good. And so yeah, I'm hoping at least 100 subscribers on my channel, then I will definitely tell you the password and the Gmail of this account, because I really want you guys to also play on the with me. But yeah, I'm really scared that I've seen so many Injustice accounts just get hacked in just some few seconds. So yeah, I'm just waiting for some time when I will properly understand how can you tell the password without like having any chances of your account getting hacked. So yeah, I think that in the next battle we are just going to change our team. Yep. that like my Merciless is one-shotting everyone. That is just so crazy. And my Ninja Catwoman Nightwing was able to finish that off pretty easily. And I want to also say that I'm expecting some new updates from Injustice 1 in like 1 or 2 months, because we have not seen an update. The last update that we saw was in March, and I would just say that we didn't got any character, and that was pretty shocking for me. So yeah, I expect like at least an update after 1 or 2 months. Uh, let's stay in the team. I think now I would play this Rebirth Green Arrow. Okay, let's play Shazam and the Batman Who Laughs. Yeah, I think that the Batman Who Laughs is the weakest unmet character right now in the game, but it's still pretty good because it's a net metal character, and all the net metal characters are just so good. I'm not a very good fan of Green Arrow, I would say. That's just going to be an easy. Okay. I think that's just going to be an easy win again. So yeah, I will try to focus on like normal battles on next 200 hours, because like I want to really progress in the story mode. Okay, 3 energies. That would be good. Let's get into another battle. I think, and after this battle, I think we are just going to end the video here only, because I don't want to make this video too long, and I hope that I will make a part 2 of this. And I think that this video is going to be crazy, because this is my first ever time experiencing like playing 100 hours a game in a week or so. That's just so crazy. And by the way, I want to also say a thing. If you don't know, my old account that I used to play on this channel actually got deleted for some reason. I'm still confused about that. I'm still looking for some like reasons. When I try to log in, I put my email and password is showing that showing that login field. I'm like, I don't know the reason of it, but I will still try to get my old account back, because that account has so many characters. I was having like about 30 characters, and yeah, didn't get any net metal character, but still, yeah, I love that account. But yeah, I think this is going to be my account which I have progressed the most, because I have like 5 net metal characters. That's just crazy. I've literally never seen anyone having like almost all the net metal characters, except for some like other YouTubers like Mr. Miza or like that. But yeah, guys, I think that's just going to be it for the video. Hope you liked it, and I know that this video was just telling you my progress and like playing some games. But still, yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed. So I would just say that goodbye and have a good day.